Google Workspace is a popular business site of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of businesses. Google Workspace also offers a professional businesses email service, and today I'm going to help you get up and running it with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hey guys, stay here, welcome along of this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business suite. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.com, workspace.google.com. As you can see, this is the home page. So to use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So you click over Start. As you can see, you have your getting started. So you write your company name. For example, I write and then we have here you choose the number of employees including you, so you can choose only you, also between 2 and 9, 10 and 99, and 100 and 299, more than 300. So I'll choose this one. About region, you choose your country. As you can see, we have here various countries. So you choose your country. Then you click over next. But before, let's read this information. Discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an ad or to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new day. So let's click on over next. Once you do that, you will find here other page which we have here contact details. What are your contact details? Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So you write your full name here. So for example, I will write Mike, then we have the name here. Then you create your email address and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here choose a method to set up your account. So the first one we have get a new custom domain. So the first one you have buy a new one domain and develop your brand online, includes a professional email address, add members to the team and manage them according to your needs. Then we have the second one, it's which is here configure with your existing domain. We have used a domain which you already own, includes professional email address, add members to the team and manage them according to your needs. Then we have here single person businesses, continue with your address gmail.com, unlock features just for you without changing your address gmail. So then we have ideal for single person business owners, so I will choose this one. Then you have to what is your company's domain name. Under your company's domain name, you will use this name to set up custom email address such as info.com. Here we will tell you later how to confirm that your company owns this domain. So we have the name of your domain. For example, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which you have to write your personal information like your phone number and other things like your city and your address, your code postal, and this is how it works with this, with your sign up. So let's come back to the home page. So we have here various information. Like the first thing that we have here, create, exchange, and collaborate with the potential of EA, a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA. So we have here also productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So this is the video showing how it works. So once your account, you have just to watch this video firstly until the end. You have here, once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets and Slides for document creation and collaboration. Encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling. Leverage shared drives for collaborative projects and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools to use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So we have also here some questions with answers. The first one, you have what products are included in Google Workspace, what is Gemini. So you click over it and you get your answers. If we come back, we have here discover the professional world of tomorrow. Discover new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace. Download our Gemini for Workspace manual to learn more about Gemini. We have here kept up to date with products, news, and updates on the Google Workspace blog, Gemini Query Writing Guide for Google Workspace, and we have learned how Gemini can help your business at our digital event, Gemini at Work, on September 24. So let's know why we use Google Workspace. Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. Then we have here also products. So we have here applications included. So we have Gmail here, we have Docs, Keep, Myth, Sheets, we have scripts, apps, Cath, Slides, Calendar, Forms, Drive, Sites, and we have security management. We have admin endpoint, Vault, Works Insights, and about complementary models, we have Voice, Materials, Meet, App Sheet, and other things. And also about solution, we have here for individuals, small and medium sized enterprise, large companies, we have here developers, education and association. So we have just to see these options and to more understand about how it works. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.